Nanatsu no Tanzai 101, 102. The most parts of both chapters are dedicated to love stories between Meliodas and Elizabeth, Diane and King, and it was shock between Julia and Gauter. We didn't expect that coming. Um, First, let's talk about Meliodas and Elizabeth. She's sick and in bed because she healed everyone, but not herself. And Meliodas came to idea how to heal her. He said to her that he don't know how to live without her, and that's the way she heals herself. And after that, the most important parts of these chapters were Merlin is going to take a break from Arthur, and she will be rejoining the seven deadly sins. And first, when I saw that, I think it was awesome because another one is with them, and they're going to be more powerful. But the greatest shock in this chapter was Ben. Ben said he is going to leave seven deadly sins, and that is how it ends. And now, I think he's going to be searching for a way to resurrect his love, and I don't know, is he's going to find a way, or will he be able to kill Meliodas? But I think that is out of the wagon now, because everybody, he's going to need everybody for that. And other other than that, I think the chapter was in the end awesome. Beginnings are slow and love story. I think uh, this was chapters between two arcs, and it was slow, and I hope next chapter will reveal his Ben's true intentions, and I hope you like this review. Give me thumbs up and subscribe if you like it.